how love has proven herself displayed toward me who have so long loved her trade. And it is fair to me, however things alight, that I learned so fair a death's own shade. Good love, whoever sells her for a price can never be bought in any market's rate. Yet few see beneath the band's device color that is stained, nor that does fade. My lady is so colored and so made. If you see her and are not kindled in a trice, and to her do not surrender, unafraid.